No off days. No off days is what drives me. I got home from Everest when I was 31 thinking about what's next. Because how am I gonna ever know my true potential if I don't raise the bar, if I don't try something new? It's really about facing your fears at times, getting comfortable outside your comfort zone. It's also about the value of the journey, though, more important than just reaching the summit.
This all started to create a venue, to create an event where we could educate and be with clients on non-financial matters. We called it return on life, not just return on investment. And so what's been exciting is to see how that has progressed over the last 5 years. We've learned a tremendous amount in terms of how to do this. It's all about learning. It's more than just taking care of the money. It's more than just the stewardship of that. We're incredibly grateful to be able to serve our clients, to be invited into their families, to be invited into their lives, and to have an impact on them.
NOD, it's pretty simple. No off days. Go out, set a simple goal, and just see what happens. You can never go wrong and pursue your passion.